Alright guys, today we're talking about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, the next mid-range phone from Samsung that's expected to launch very soon. Let's go over all the main leaks, features, and upgrades in just 2 minutes. Design-wise, the A57 looks quite similar to the A56, but a little more refined and premium. The back has that same clean triple camera layout, flat edges, and possibly a new matte finish. The frame looks metallic, giving it a nice solid feel in the hand. The bezels might still have that slightly thicker chin, but overall, it's a sleek and modern design for its price. The display is expected to be a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED Plus panel with a 120Hz refresh rate and slightly higher brightness this time, making it great for movies and social media. Under the hood, Samsung might use either the Exynos 1480 or Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, depending on the market. Combine that with a 5,000 mAh battery and 45-watt fast charging, and you're looking at a solid all-day performer. Now, when it comes to cameras, Samsung might finally fix what people didn't like about the A56. We're expecting a 50-megapixel main lens with OIS and better image processing for sharper, more detailed photos, especially in low light. It may not include a telephoto lens, but for everyday photography and video, it should be a noticeable upgrade. The phone will likely run Android 15 with One UI 7, and Samsung's promised 4 years of software updates, which is always a big advantage in the mid-range category. So overall, the Galaxy A57 looks like a smart upgrade. Same great design, smoother performance, faster charging, and hopefully improved cameras. If Samsung keeps the pricing right, this could easily be one of the best value mid-range phones in 2026. That's it for now. What do you guys think of the Galaxy A57 so far? Let me know down in the comments, and don't forget